Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Docs document to the public. And by that, I mean anyone can see the document, even though if they are not being invited or they don't have a Google account, they should be able to see your document. And there are two methods to accomplish that. So the first method is, I think, the easiest one, which is by using the share feature in Google Docs. All you need to do is go to this icon, this button that's called share. Click on that, and then on the general access, you want to change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. Okay, just wait until it updates the setting. Now you can copy the link. So this link is going to be the public link that anyone with the link should be able to see your document. Just to give you an example, I'm going to open a brand new page incognito window, and I'm going to just paste the link. So yeah, now this is the document, the same document, and anyone can see this. Anyone can actually make a copy. Anyone can download, anyone can download and then they can use it. And of course, anyone can ask you for access, but other than that, they won't be able to change anything on the document. So I think this is a very useful way to share the document as it is. But there is another method. So let me change the setting back to restricted. Right, so that was the default setting. Anyway, the second method that you can try is basically publishing your document as a web page. To do that, go to the file menu, click share, and then select publish to web. So make sure you open this menu and then make sure that this checkbox is being ticked. You want to make sure that your changes in the document will be reflected on the public view. After that, you can click publish and then click OK. Now you have this link that again anyone can visit, and they should be able to see your document as a web page. The only difference is that it's not going to look like a typical document. They should be able to see that you could update the content, but they won't be able to do anything other than just seeing the document. This could be something that you might want to get, like maybe want to report something and you want to get the control of the document. So if you want to change anything, the change will be reflected on the document right here. So that's basically how you can share your Google Docs document to the public. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.